entertain while everybody comes, and then I will give you the explanation. Oh, that's a lot of people. Now, ¿cómo andamos el tiempo? Porque puedo sacar el... Also eat some fruits like papayas and mango, and they use their claws. Their claws, see the claws? To fight and get their food. So they break the trunk, and that's how they get the food. They can eat 1,000 to 5,000 insects in one night. They also call them the tamandua with a jacket because of this. Now, tamandua, it's anteater in the Guarani language. That it's a indigenous tribe from Paraguay.
Anteater tamandua or interchangeable?
It's the same thing.
Okay.
So the scientific name for the ones that likes to search is Tamandua mexicana. It's a medium size. Now you gotta remember, there's only one porcupine in the entire world that can shoot quails like bullets. Who can tell me which one? Very famous. It's all the time in movies and cartoons.
Oh.
It's a cartoon one.
What job?
And that's what happens. When they feel threat, they just put them upside down like that, and then it's when you can get them. When an animal attack, they don't really know those are quails. So they will just go an aggressive way and just try to bite. Once that happens, they will be covering quails. And again, in some porcupines, indirectly, you can actually kill other animals because their wounds will get infected. Now, Pino, it's of course very friendly. There's one area where they don't have the quails, and it's right here. Because they're like plastic, they feel like plastic. When the baby's born, they have no quails, of course, because imagine how painful that can be for the mother, okay, or something like that. So the quails will start growing, and eventually they will be covering quails in 6 to 9 months. They will have just one baby at a time, sadly like anteaters and the sloths. But in the case of them, the gestation period is very short, it's like 100 days. And since they're rodents, they will just keep breeding over and over. The Rothschild porcupine, it's endemic to Panama, so it's only in Panama. But population is declining, but they're still not endangered. But they will, because the habitat is strong.
There they are. So those the capuchin monkeys.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Oh, neat. Oh, I got it. That was a good one.
Thanks for the pose. Yeah, I think he gave me the finger. Oh!
They know that. Oh my gosh. Oh.
There's one right up here now, coming across the top.
Oh my God. Sweetie. Yes, he's got a big head.
I got his butt.
Yeah.
That sounded like another one. It is.
Come on, the boat was the father, the alpha male. Yeah, so this is the most intelligent species of monkeys that we have been. Keep the tail in the waters, wet the tail and get water from the tail. Now in the waters, crocodiles live. So when they want water, they tip the tail, wet the tail and get water from the tail. They are not coming down and drink with their mouth. Yeah, they get a piece of banana.
Yeah, that was the one we first saw. That one just not jumped out.
There, oh, I got a whole bunch of stuff together
That's
there.
the full-grown size. They don't grow bigger than that. Take care of them, eat their back.
Uh-oh. Are you coming over?